So hello dear students, today we will study about the new topic called as complex variable. So here is an example. Determine whether the function f of z, that is x by x square plus y square plus I under bracket y x square plus y square is an analytic function or not. So firstly we need to do the f of z. Basically f of z is the normal transformation of u plus iv, which we write it as it is as the whole equation. Then we should split the terms as u equal to x by x square plus y square and v equal to y under bracket y x square plus y square. So derivative with respect to x, where there is, keep this term as it is, y square should come first minus x square, and derivative of u with respect to y, it will be as it is but the whole square, because this term is whole square, and upward one minus 2xy. Then derivative of x with respect to v, as it is same but this one will come, and derivative of v with respect to y, the y will come into the second position and x will come into the first position. Rest all the terms are same. Here du by dx is not equal to dv by dy, and du by dy is not equal to minus dou v by dou x. That is, Cauchy-Riemann's equation aren't satisfy. Given function is not analytic function. Now prove that f of z sin hz, which is equal to e raised to z minus e raised to minus z by 2 is an analytic function of variable z equals to x plus iy. Function of z, which is given as it is, we should write it. Afterward we will split into the term, since z equal to x plus iy and minus z equal to minus x minus iy as a general formula. We will convert this and take half common outside, e raised to x e raised to iy minus e raised to minus x e raised to minus iy. Minus how it came, so basically this positive and negative, positive into negative means negative. So after that it will be half of e raised to x cos y plus I sin y minus e raised to minus x cos y minus I sin y. Therefore taking the term outside, putting inside, cos y e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2 plus I sin y e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2. Now basically these are the hyperbolic functions. So we will write it as f of z as a u plus iv cos y plus sin hx, because it is a function of sine formula, and here I sin y e plus a e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2 is nothing but cos hyperbolic function. Taking the terms common as it is, now we will take its derivative. So derivative, basically derivative of u with respect to x, sine derivative is cos, term as it is, derivative with respect to y, derivative with respect to y, negative sign minus sign, sin hx as it is, derivative of v with respect to x, sin y sin hx, and derivative of v with respect to y cos hx, which can be seen. Therefore Cauchy-Riemann equation satisfy. Function f of z is an analytic function. Now find the function w equal to u plus iv, which is analytic function if u equal to x square plus y square. U term is given, we need to find a function of w. So it is given, it is, we can write as it is, derivative of u with respect to x 2x, derivative of y, derivative of this will be same, which is equal to minus dou v by dou x, which is Cauchy-Riemann. So now derivative of v with respect to I, which is nothing but 2x, but we can write it as 2xy plus x after integration with respect to y. Therefore now in next term you will see we have from the equation 1 dou v by dou x is equal to 2y plus function 1 of x. Now, but dou v by dou x is equal to 2y. So we will write it as a 2y. F of dash x is 0, which is nothing but c constant. Therefore, v is equal to 2xy plus c. Put it in the original equation. You will get x square plus minus y square plus I 2xy plus c. This is the required function for w. Now, show that u equals to x square minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1 is a harmonic function and hence determine its analytic function. So we will write the equation as it is given. After that we will take the derivatives of it. Derivative means we should take the derivative twice time because it is given twice. So we will first take the derivative of x, which is nothing but 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. After that we will take its double derivative. Double derivative in between, it will become 6x plus 6. Now after that dou u by dou y as it is minus 6xy minus y, but we should take the derivative with respect to y square. So it will get y gets removed and it will be minus 6x minus 6. Therefore dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is 0. The function u is harmonic. Now we will take it as a dou v by dou x, which is dou v by dou y, this term. Therefore the v term will be 3x square y minus y cube plus 6xy plus 5x. 5 is a constant term. Dou v by dou x we will take off this. 6xy plus 6y plus x, which is nothing but this. Since it is equal, therefore this is 0, therefore it is constant. Therefore v equal to 3x square y minus y cube plus 6xy plus c. Therefore hence w is equal to u plus iv, which will be the whole term as shown. If it is a whole term, then we will get the final answer. So in the next part we will see about its next chapter. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.